Fitness feels hard because nothing you're doing is compounding. Random workouts don't build strength, they burn motivation. Give me 14 days, and I'll give you the only 3 moves you actually need to build real strength at home. Fitness feels hard because you're training without a system. Cardio today, arms tomorrow, abs when guilt kicks in. Nothing stacks, nothing carries over. So we're cutting the noise. For the next 14 days, you're building a foundation. 1 push, 1 leg, 1 pull. That's it. Miss the 3rd move, and your push-ups will always feel weak because your shoulders are never pulled back into position. Grab a chair. We start now. Most people fail right here because they let ego choose the exercise. They drop to the floor, grind out 2 ugly reps, shake like a dying fish, and call it progress. That's not training, that's pretending. We're doing this intelligently. You're going to run a quick diagnostic called the 5-rep audit. You have 3 options: incline, standard, decline. Your job is to find the version where you can perform 5 perfect reps. Perfect means slow, 3 seconds down, 1 second up, no rushing, no cheating. If you're shaking uncontrollably or your lower back is sagging like an old hammock, that's not your level yet. Test it now, hands on the chair. Can you do 5 slow, controlled reps where you feel locked in like a machine? Too easy, move to the floor. Too hard, stay on the chair. There is no shame in the incline. The only shame is bad form. This is how you win. You master the level you're on. When you hit 12 slow, perfect reps at level 1, you don't do 13. You graduate to level 2. I've got far more advanced strength work using dumbbells, bands, and harder body weight progressions. If you want that, comment below. If enough of you say I want strength, I'll prioritize that video next month here on Inspire Velocity. Now, the lower body, and I'm going to be honest with you, I hate this exercise. You're going to hate it. We're all going to hate it together. But it's the non-negotiable king of home training, the split squat. Here's why we're not doing regular squats. Regular squats lie to you. Your strong leg quietly does 70% of the work, while the weak one gets a free ride. That imbalance catches up to you eventually, in your knees, your hips, your performance. We stop that now. Stand up, 1 foot back on a chair or the floor. Drop the back knee straight down. Did you wobble? Did the knee cave in? Did you feel like Bambi? On ice? Good. That wobble is your nervous system waking up after a decade of neglect. We're not here to look cool. We're here to build iron legs. Drop straight down. Drive straight up. Keep 80% of your weight on the front heel. Imagine crushing a soda can into the floor with that foot. Level 1, hold a wall or chair. Stability beats ego. Level 2, hands on hips. Level 3, add dumbbells or heavy water jugs. When you can do 3 sets of 12 at level 1 without your knees shaking like an earthquake, you earn the right to let go. If move 1 builds the muscles you see in the mirror, move 3 builds the muscles that keep you standing tall. We live in forward collapse mode. Phones, laptops, steering wheels. Everything pulls you inward. If all you do is push, you're locking yourself deeper into that hunch. We need the antidote. We need to pull. Got a pull-up bar? Use it. Most people don't. So we improvise. Look at your sturdy dining table. That's your rowing machine now. Inverted rows. Yes, you'll look like a mechanic sliding under a car. Yes, your roommates might judge you. Do it anyway. Lie underneath. Body straight like a plank. Pull your chest to the table. Squeeze your shoulder blades like you're cracking a walnut between them. Hold 1 second. Lower slow. No solid table. Door towel rows. Tie a big knot in a towel. Close it in a door until it clicks. Pull against the door, lean back, and row yourself forward. Same squeeze, same control, different setup. That's your foundation. Push, leg, pull. Simple. Brutally effective. And if you've got dusty dumbbells sitting in the corner and want to unlock real strength with them, say it in the comments. If enough of you ask, Inspire Velocity will build the next level for you.